Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this pedestal with orb fountain and LED light made by Peaktop Group. Let's check it out. The box came a little bit damaged on this side, but hopefully everything else in here is fine. First of all, we see some instructions, use and care, how to put it together. Let me pull this out. So the fountain itself is made by Polyresin, and it is 14.5 inches in depth, the 26 inches high, and it is about 12 pounds in weight, so it's not heavy. Here is the other part that goes on top. And these are the LEDs. Here is the pump. And this is hollow. This is where the water is going to be. Then you have the top here. So you have the LED lights. There's a little gap on this side and on the other side, so you can run the wire out. And there's only one way to put it. There's a little edge on this side. It's pointing on that corner. As for putting it together, you have the water pump and the power to the LED light. You put these together and you screw them tight, because there's a seal right in between. And this goes in here. So there's a small gap here, so you could put the cable, and there's nothing to hide the cable, but what I'm going to do is perhaps put some tape here. Would be nice to have something to hold the cable here along the edge, so it doesn't just stay that way. Would have been nice to have something to just have it there, but I'll do that anyway. So let's put some water. And the fountain itself is going to be outside, but I'm just testing it inside. As for the plug on the opposite side of the cable, you have to put this together as well. And then screw this in there, because it has a seal there as well. And now let's plug it in. Looks pretty cool. It's not too big, it's not too small. You could put it inside the house, outside the house. You choose where you want it to be. Let me turn off the light so you can see what it looks like. It has a warm white color of the LEDs, so it's soothing. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps you get an idea of what you're getting when you're buying this fountain. Thank you for watching and enjoy.